Hello guys, this is Ishmael Amte. Today I want to share with you the tools I actually use in recording my videos, and that is my setup development tips videos. I've had a couple of people asking me, what tools do you use? Are they expensive? No, they are not expensive at all. So this video is to show you the tools I use. So starting with, I first of all use my mobile phone. I'm actually recording my mobile phone, which is Nubia Z17E. Why did I choose this particular phone? I chose it because it has a lot of great features and then functionalities. Looking at the capacity, there's a memory storage, it's about 64 GB, which is very good. The RAM is about 6 GB. The back camera is 32 megapixels. It has actually dual cameras at the back, which is 32 megapixels. The front camera is 16 megapixel, and it's lightweight as well. So those are the reason why I actually chose this phone. And then next, I use a sound recorder. I actually needed a very good sound, and then I use a Tascam sound recorder, which is just one channel. But one channel is just fine because of what I use it for. I use that with a lapel, so I actually have that affixed here. One good thing about this lapel is that it has the capability of using it just with a smartphone or using it with actually a sound recorder. So it has a slot in here where you could actually take it to the bottom, which is for smartphones only, and then to the top, which is for cameras or sound recorders or whatever device you're using to capture your sound. So these are the two tools I use. I also use DJI Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal, which I'm actually using that with my mobile phone. What I use that for is that it prevents shakes in my video. So if I'm actually outdoor recording and then moving, it actually helps me stabilizing the video, making it move very, very smoothly. So that's what I use the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 for. And then I have this here, which is Smart Tree adjustable pole. What I use this for is I use it with a base, which is more like a tripod. It's affixed with the DJI Osmo Mobile. So this, I actually use this to serve as a tripod. If I'm outside, I'm outdoor recording alone, even sometimes indoor, actually mount my mobile device on the DJI, mount the DJI on this. This is actually adjustable, so I think it's about either 4 to 5 feet if I'm not exaggerating. I think about 4 feet here, about 4 feet, and then I keep this on on the ground, having my device on it, and then I stand, and it's able to actually perform what I'll be able or what I've been doing with a tripod or having someone second person doing it for me. So it depends if I use this when there is a need for it. And then also I use studio light. That's when I'm indoor. When I'm outdoor, there's no need for any light, so I use 2 studio lights. You don't necessarily need a studio light depending on what environment you'll be recording from. Sometimes even the light alone in your room, it's actually good for you to record. I actually recorded a couple of videos without using studio light, and they work perfectly well for me. So I think these are the other materials, the tools that I use in recording my startup development tips video. This is actually a microphone I use in recording my video courses. I use that in my PC, and then my screen recorded software to record the video courses. I think that should be it. Using my mobile phone, Nubia Z17, and using my gimbal, that is a small DJI Osmo Mobile 2, using the Smart Tree adjustable pole with a base, which is a tripod, and then using my Tascam recorder, and as well as my lapel. So these are the tools that I use, or the devices that I use in recording my startup development tips videos. They're not so much expensive. I'll try as much as possible to get the links for them to put inside the description section so that you could check them out on. I actually got a few of them on Amazon, and then I got a few also here in Ghana. So that should be it for now. Thank you very much for watching.